So this is my finished bike. This is the Grebe, or grey e-bike. She's got a 26-inch rear hub motor, 1500 watt, 20 amp hour, 48 volt battery. I've got the controller in the centre there. I've separated the control wires for, you know, the throttle and the brakes, that sort of thing, away from the power and the wheel, so that if I have to take the wheel off, I can get to it separately, but the rest of it's hidden away behind the down tube there. She looks lovely. I'm just going to figure out a way to cover these remaining cables there in a non-permanent way, so that we can get to it if needs be. Let's go in for a quicker look, have a closer look, and we can see I've got the controller there which turns it on. Let's have a look. There's our SW900 screen, and you can see I've done 37 miles since last night. It's great fun. So here she is. I've kitted her up. I've got the toe peak front and back fenders there, and I've got a Rock Bros little pouch thing. I'll keep some bits in there, gloves and what have you. I've got the headlight with the separate button on there and the horn. I've got plenty of lights at the back here. I've got some rear lights there with indicators on them. So yeah, all I've got to do, like I said earlier, is just find a way to clean this little bit up here. As you can see, all the rest of the cables are stashed behind there. They're actually my old grips. I just put a slice down them, wrapped around, put all the cables inside it, cable tied them on. But as you can see, it's nice and clean. This is my first ever build, so excellent. She does 35 mile an hour. Yeah, lovely, well proud.